guys, this is made with multi-eye, and if you're looking for a light ring, then this is the AIXPI light ring 10-inch that I recommend you to try. This LED ring comes with different tones and different set of lights. So this is how you handle it. It is a USB, but you can use one of those head for chargers. So I usually connect it directly with my computer, and it works as it is. So you can do different things. It has different settings. You can see how the lights change, brighter or less. It comes with the support, so that's how I have it in here. And also with this, so you can put your cell phone here. You can just aim it as you want it, if you want straight or horizontal, so it's absolutely up to you. This also right here moves around. It's a very diverse ring light, which I like. So if you're looking for a nice and ring light that works, then I recommend you this one. But this is just my point of view.